OPPO Reno 6 Pro Summary. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro is one of the slimmest and lightest phones in its class, and has the looks to go with that. The display is well spec'd too. It's a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus playback certification, and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. One of the biggest upgrades to the OPPO Reno 6 Pro is the new MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC. Games ran very well too. Despite the slim body, the back of the phone never got overly hot even after extended gaming sessions. Design and build. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G is the third generation handset in the lineup to feature the Reno Glow design. To learn more about it, check out our article on the same. In simpler words, the phone sports a glass sandwich design with a glossy plastic frame. The rear glass has millions of pyramid-shaped crystals, which offer a unique in-hand feel and matte texture. The backside HE glass of the Aurora color variant shimmers different colors depending on the light falling on it. As the name suggests, the handset's rear side mimics dawn sky. You can mostly notice blue and yellow shades. This unique back along with a curved glass panel on both front and rear makes the device stand out in the crowd. The phone is surely a head-turner when you use it in public. Display and sound. Just like the Reno 5 Pro 5G, the Reno 6 Pro 5G also flaunts a curved AMOLED display with a single punch hole in the top left corner. The screen measures 6.55-inch diagonally, packing a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, 402 ppi, 16.7 million colors, and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. The panel supports a 90Hz refresh rate, 180Hz touch sampling rate, and 800 nits brightness, typical. The display also houses an optical fingerprint sensor underneath it and offers a 92.1% screen-to-body ratio. As the specs suggest, the display on the OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G is great for the price. By default, the smartphone comes with Vivid P3 mode, which offers boosted saturation. Also, if required, users can opt for gentle sRGB mode for natural colors. performance and connectivity. The OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC, which is better than the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC present inside the older OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G. The company touts this chip to score above 700K on an ANTUTU benchmark. However, in my tests, it was only able to cross 600K. Camera. The OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G houses a quad camera setup on the back. The setup includes a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide unit, a 2MP macro shooter, and a 2MP monochrome sensor. Whereas, on the front, the device sports a 32MP snapper for selfies and video calls. Right off the bat, the two 2MP sensors are present only for the namesake. The macro camera outputs low-quality images that are of little to no use. This camera is not capable of focusing on the subject even when the handset is held at an ideal distance. Software. The OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G runs ColorOS 11.3 based on Android 11. It is my second favorite thing about this phone, after its design. The software on this device is well optimized for its hardware. Battery and charging. The OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G is backed by a 4,500 mAh battery. It can last up to 1.5 days on a full charge with moderate usage. If you play games or use cameras extensively, then it will only last a day or less. Is definitely not an all-rounder. The handset only excels in design, software, battery life, and charging. If that's what you want in a phone, you are in for a treat. If you take lots of pictures or play graphics-intensive games, then don't even think about buying it. There are better options in the market to satisfy those needs in the same price segment. The OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G is a type of smartphone that one needs to experience in order to appreciate it. As they say, the spec sheet never tells the whole story.